slept in a little bit. I think I woke up at like 9:30. Because whew, trust me. Woke up at like 9:30.
We're gonna go play basketball, you know?
Bless you. Good morning. Always been my favourite bit of the school years. So basically it's, bless you, Nee. It's 10 to 11. Nee, what's your favourite one? Shape of You, that's the same as me. Shape of You is my favourite one. But I don't, bless you. It's Shape of You food. Wow. Our food has arrived.
This at the right time. What you do is stick up your nose and squirt it up there. Like this. Oh, is it in? Let's try again. Oh, that one got me. Oh, blimey. Oh, makes me want to sneeze though. Okay, it's in. Oh, and now I need to sneeze straight away. So fingers crossed, I'm going to use that a couple of times today and hopefully I won't get this cold. Oh my god, since using that stuff, I've sneezed, I'm not joking, I used it about 3 minutes ago. I've sneezed 15 times. Oh my god, I can't stop. And my eyes are really watering and now my nose is running. It's almost worth having a cold, I think, blimey.
I think I should just take a lunch break. Food always makes me feel better. Whoa. I can't stop.
Oh my god. I'm trying to film a time lapse of me writing and I will not stop sneezing.
Audition is about 20 minutes away and I really have to sneeze. It won't work though. Watch, I'm gonna sneeze on camera. It's gonna be great. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna sneeze like 8 more times, so I'll see you guys later. 5 sneezes in a row. Gosh, I just cut the blank spots because there were probably like 5 seconds of silence that I don't want to put in, because that'd just be awkward, you know? Oh, I feel another coming. All right, 5's the magic number. I didn't sneeze again. Someone just knock on my door. Nope, and I just heard a knock. Nope, I don't know what that was.
Yeah. I hate sneezing when I'm driving. I get so scared.
Bless you.
Like, you know when it's allergy season.
Oh, it's green.
Oh, it's green. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna sneeze again. Oh my god.
She's plugging her nose.
Oh my god.
She's plugging her nose.
Okay.
Pineapples.
I like pineapples.
There you go, see? Always think of pineapples when you're trying not to sneeze.
Oh, I'm the pineapple princess.